How to fix deposit problem in Binance. So first, make sure your account is verified. If you have an account like me which is unverified, then you're not going to be able to deposit crypto in your account. So verify your account and try to deposit your crypto, which should work. And if your account is verified and you're still unable to deposit crypto, then that means the deposit address or the crypto address you sent might be a mistake or a wrong one. So send a correct crypto wallet address of your Binance account for that respective crypto in order to be sent and deposited in your account, and it should be fixed. And if you're still unable to deposit crypto due to some kind of bug, I will suggest you to just close Binance app and open the website version of Binance, because in the app version of Binance there are some kind of bugs. So if you're using the website version of Binance, it should probably work. So these are all the things you need to follow. And remember, if the crypto you're trying to deposit is banned on Binance, you're not going to be able to deposit as well. So keep that in mind and check search on the internet to know if the crypto you're trying to deposit is available in Binance or not. If not, that's the reason why you're unable to deposit it. So these are the way on how you guys can fix this problem. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.